In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Fathom to Google Meet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a new tab and look up Chrome web browser extension. All right, then you want to go to the official chromewebstore.google.com right over here. And we're going to go ahead and install the Fathom extension, and then we're going to use it on Google Meet. So go to the search bar and look up Fathom right over here, then press on enter. Then here it is. Please go ahead and select on it, press on add it to Chrome, select on add extension, and then it is going to be right over here. And you will need to go ahead and create an account if you never used it before, or if you already have an account, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and sign in. So let me go ahead and make an account really quickly, and I'll be right back with you guys. And anyways, now what you want to do is you want to go to the web browser extension. You want to make sure that Fathom AI is actually pinned. Then you're able to go ahead and press on it, and then press on login. All right, and check this out. Your Google Meet is now going to have this new button over here, and basically that is going to allow Fathom to record the meeting, and then once the meeting is done, it is going to summarize it and do everything you would normally do. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.